Class, we are going to look at the Ohms Law. And the Ohms Law was derived by a person called Ohm, and he stated this law that current passing through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the voltage. Now, according to this diagram, we are seeing a conductor that has dots. What are those dots stands for? They are electrons. Since this is a good conductor, it has a free moving electrons. Now when the current passes through, it increases the temperature of these electrons and then they starts moving. Hence, current also starts moving. Then what happens when we increase the voltage? When you increase the voltage and you reduce the resistance, we see that there is much current that is flowing. And what is resistance? Resistance is the opposition to the flow of current. Increase the voltage and reduce the resistance, then the much current flows. Then what happens when we reduce the voltage and we increase the resistance? You see the reverse, that the current that is flowing reduces. So what I'm increasing here, there are cells. We see that a cell has the EMF of 1.5. That is the pressure that is forcing current to flow. Then when I can elaborate more about this resistance, we can have an example that when look at this wire as a bigger wire and a smaller wire. A bigger wire, it means it has low resistance, hence allows much current to flow. And a smaller wire has high resistance, hence allows small current to flow. You can also look at another factor of a distance, the length of the wire. Look at the length of the wire. When the wire is long, it meaning the resistance is high because the current it means the current has to flow a long distance. What is it, Master? I was saying about the distance, the length of the wire. When the length is long, it means current will have to flow a longer distance, meaning the resistance there is high. And when the distance is short, the current flowing is high. We can also look at another factor. We have the temperature. The temperature in the wire here, the wire that connects the cells and the conductor. What happens when the temperature is increased and what happens when the temperature is reduced? When the temperature increased, what happens? When the temperature increases in the wire, the current flowing reduces. The wire that connects the cell and the conductor. Now we are saying when you increase the temperature of the wire, like you have ever seen like short circuiting, when the wires they come into together, or they short circuit, they start hitting. They start hitting or they develop heat, and then current stops flowing. Means the higher the temperature, the lower the current flow, the lower the current flows. And the lower the temperature, the higher the current that is flowing. I hope you have got the concept. You allow me to stop here.